Hello friends, this is Sejal. In today's video, you will learn about how a 301 redirect is different from 302 redirect. To begin with, let me first explain what a 301 and 302 redirects are. A 301 redirect is an indication that the requested URL is permanently changed or moved to a new URL. However, a 302 redirect signifies that the requested URL is temporarily moved. Now that you know what 301 and 302 redirects are, let us get into the details how they are different from each other. 301 redirect versus 302 redirect. Do you have a website? If yes, then it must have a domain name as well. Imagine your website is working pretty well. You are getting enough traffic and engagement. But what if you decide to change the domain? The answer is simple. Use a redirect response code. If you are moving content to a new location permanently, then use a 301 redirect. If you are moving it temporarily, use a 302 redirect. Now many of you must be wondering, what is the need for it? Users can't distinguish between 301 and 302 redirects as they function identically. But search engines consider 301 and 302 redirects separate. Selecting the inaccurate one can result into undetectable SEO issues. Now let's see when to use 301 and 302 redirects. When to use 301 redirect. First, you permanently change the URL of a web page. Second, you migrate to a new domain permanently. Third, you switch from HTTP to HTTPS. Fourth, you want to fix non-www or www duplicate content issues. Fifth, you merge two or more pages or websites permanently. Sixth, you permanently change the URL structure of your website. When to use 302 redirect. First, you want to redirect users to the right version of the site for them based on location or language. Second, you want to A/B split test the functionality or design of a web page. Third, you want to get feedback about a new page without affecting rankings for the old one. Fourth, you are running a promotion and want to temporarily redirect visitors to a sales page. When you use a 301 redirect, Google removes the old page from their index and most of the link equity of that page is transferred to the new one. Search engines take a little time to notice this change, affecting your search rankings. When you use a 302 redirect, the original page remains indexed on Google and no link equity or value is transferred to the new URL. If used accurately, a 302 redirect will not hurt your SEO efforts. So friends, that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you soon in the next video. Bye.